Hey everybody, CD coming at you today from the cave one more time. Just want to babble at you and show you a couple of things I got going here. First of all, I do want to say thank you very much. About 3 days from now, my 15,000 subscriber on my channel will click that button. Thanks a million, folks. It's you people watching is what keeps this stuff going. YouTube, they're not keeping it going. Probably out of the last 24 videos I put up, maybe 3 or 4 of them are monetized. If it ain't monetized, they don't go anywhere. YouTube ain't making money on it. You're dead in the water. I said that one other time. Anybody new in the hunting and the guns, they want to get in, start a YouTube channel, they're screwed. YouTube will not allow them to gain any popularity. Second, this flu bug that's going around the country, COVID. I cannot think of a better reason to be into reloading. Buy yourself some equipment, get into reloading. It's cheaper. Your equipment costs you some money in the initial up front, but you go down there in stores right now and try to buy yourself some 9mm, try to buy some 223. People got it ordered on the internet sites. It's a fiasco. You know what? You got a few boxes of these, just bullets. I've had these things so long, there's 500 of them in there, 24 bucks. They're about 60 bucks, 55 bucks nowadays. You got a few of them stuffed underneath there. Hey, liberal gets into high office again, or China unleashes an economic disaster on the entire world, and the public goes nuts buying everything. You can't even buy toilet paper, really? Maybe we had a toilet paper reloading machine. That'd be cool. Anyway, a few things that don't take up any space. 3 hours, I can have 1,000 rounds of ammo. Rifle, single stage, you can do handgun with it. It's quite time consuming. A progressive, if you want to throw the money at it, is definitely the way to go. Anyway, folks, thanks for the 15,000. I got something in this box right here, and that's what this video is about. I'm going to put the camera up above. I'm going to show you what's in there. This is sweet. Let's go. Alrighty. This is like spring Christmas in the cave today, folks. This is a AAA walnut furniture for nothing more than an AR-15. And all the bolts and everything are in it with it. Very, very, very good looking wood. Sometimes when stuff just shows up, the time was right, the money was really, really right. I just grabbed it. No plan for it. The light's trying to... No immediate plan for it. I'll probably just rebuild a Smith & Wesson M&P. Is that good looking or what? The rifle that the stuff was made for, designed for, was a full length, a rifle length Colt. And I don't have anything rifle length, so that's just something I'm going to have to build someday in the future. Get a load of this thing. Get a load of that. Is that good looking or what? That's going to be one hell of an ass snappy looking AR. I have to find me a stainless steel barrel. And then I'll have to get a rifle length buffer and all that happy-go-lucky stuff. Anyway, there she be. Just wanted to let you see that. Don't hold your breath waiting for a video on it. With this COVID thing going on, money could get tight. You never know what's going to happen here, which way the world's going to turn. But I just wanted to show it to you, see what I had, and show it off a little bit, because that is one good looking piece of wood. We'll see you another day, folks. Thanks a million. Like I said, about Sunday, I'll hit that 15,000 subscribers. Thanks a million.